A legend in the making on the studio with me today, in the studio, on the studio. Fuck that. Yo, CPT and the world. Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. It's your boy Oasis. I got a legend in studio with me today, the TrustedSlk. Best believe she's one of the dopest femcs Cape Town's gonna see until someone else comes, but that's not gonna be anytime soon. Definitely ain't gonna be anytime soon. So SLK, right? Like I said, I've been following your movement. I've been following what you do. Like recently saw the music video.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was some flames, you know.
Thanks.
So when it came to music career, you know, because you're blowing up now, like you're going. Like when did it start from that point in your life when you started blowing up, or started you seeing you making motion in the game?
In the game. Well, I started rapping in 2009 in high school. So it's literally been 10 years now, because it's 2019, so it's been 10 years.
Damn, so you've been in the game for like a minute now.
I've been in the game for a minute, but there's still more to come.
There's definitely more to come. Like I said, I've been seeing the people that you're rolling with, the shows you're doing. So you are making movement for yourself to be noticed and get out there.
Yeah.
What would you do then in Cape Town that could help the artist actually grow to where you are now, or to get to your level?
What I do is that I go back to communities and I try to school upcoming artists on on how it's like realistically, because it's nice being able to sing, but if you want to become a singer, you need to have stage presence. You need to have makeup on, even though you're not a fan of makeup. So I literally bring reality to them and just tell them how it is in the real world. I also judge at certain shows, and give people advice. Listen, next time try this and try that and try this and try that.
Where you can see they can improve.
Yeah, definitely.
So you just pass the knowledge. So you're giving to the Cape Town, or what you're gonna give to artists when they see you is that knowledge. So they know when they look at SLK, you're gonna have you will have knowledge coming from me, because I'm gonna pass on what I have and make sure that it travels to everywhere.
Yeah.
That's dope. What do you think of the Cape Town scene though? Because now I know you. I don't know if the rest of the world knows you, but I know you. So what do you think of the scene in Cape Town? Is it booming? Do you see yourself actually blowing up in Cape Town, or in Joburg and then coming back to Cape Town? A youngster move, or?
You know what? Cape Town is beautiful. Cape Town has all the artists, has all the talent, it has everything we need. It even has all the money that we need. But so far, there's still like a pipeline that's blocking everything in Cape Town. Because things that happen in Cape Town don't even get outside of Cape Town. And that's the problem with Cape Town. That's why nobody can blow up. It's like we're in our own little bubble. So it's no use being hot in Cape Town if the rest of the other 8 provinces don't know you.
Don't know nothing. Okay.
That's the difference with Cape Town and Joburg, is that in Joburg, they're not in a bubble. So if somebody blows up in Jozi, you're known everywhere else.
Everywhere else, yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? So I do believe Cape Town has the potential to blow up. However, unless they remove that plug, they're not going to go anywhere.
So there's no flow now.
And there's people that are trying to revive Cape Town. I love Cape Town, I really do, but I don't have time to waste reviving it, because I'm also running out of time.
Yeah.
So what I usually do is that I go to Joburg, hustle in Joburg, come back to Cape Town. Go to Joburg, hustle in Joburg, come back to Cape Town.
So you take your hustle that side, get out to the rest of the 8 provinces, and then come to the place where it's like content and look, I'm still here, but everyone else is so now you are here. That's work. That just means you have a lot of time on your hands to actually get yourself out there, and then make sure that when you get to the 8 other provinces, it's not just gonna be like, oh, she's a Cape Town girl. They're gonna know you everywhere. They're gonna have
she's gifted. She's an artist.
Yeah, not gonna label you from she blew up in Cape Town.
Exactly.
No, that's dope.
It really doesn't matter where you're from.
Yeah, definitely. I also do feel that in Cape Town as an artist, I feel like there's a drip, because there's artists getting out. But like you said, there's a plug that needs to be removed so that it can start flowing, man.
Exactly.
And that's what we need in Cape Town. We need it to start flowing so that each artist can pick up and actually get to a platform and feel themselves,
Yeah.
Because I feel myself at this point in time, but I don't know if the rest of the world feels me.
Exactly.
And
which is unfair.
That's unfair, yeah. And that's why you need to put yourself out there to show the world what is happening.
Yeah.
And that's why I appreciate you for doing that. That's why I follow you. Never stop following you. Alright? That's gonna be me. You will see me there. Now if you get those VIP tickets, hit me up, hit me up.
I will, dog. I'll never forget you, my boy.
It's good. It's good. Now, one more thing I want to know is now, I know Cape Town has this whole thing going where we can't get out, and we're struggling. We have to go out of the province to actually get it, right? So now I just want to know, artists in Cape Town, where would you say they need to go, man? Like other platforms. Like I know we're offering a platform, the Lyric Lounge.
Yeah, which is beautiful, by the way.
Are you aware of any other platforms that they could do this on?
Yo, that's the thing. In South Africa, it's tough. It's super, super, super tough because everybody's done everything. There's radio, there's TV. What else? There's the internet. But the internet fluctuates.
Yeah.
You know, people love you, then they hate you, then they love you again, and they hate you, you know? So I feel like if you just stay consistent, that's all you need.
Okay, so you don't need to have too many plugs.
You don't exactly, yeah. What I'm saying, like, get on all those platforms, stay consistent, and then just keep on rotating.
Okay.
On those platforms, because that's what else can you do? How bigger can you go?
How bigger can you go?
You understand?
Now you heard it from yourself. Now, like SLK is passing on knowledge here, guys. You better listen to what you're saying. This is coming from her heart. It's coming from an artist that know what you're doing. So you best believe she's giving you some knowledge right now.
Shout out.
Now, like, is there a song you're gonna perform for us today?
Yes, it's a must, man. Yeah. It ain't called Lyric Lounge for nothing.
For nothing.
So yeah, I'm gonna be dropping one of my latest singles called I'm Crazy. And it's a dope vibe.
And if I have to look for it, where would I find I'm Crazy?
SoundCloud, the links on Twitter, the links on Instagram. Just type in TrustedSlk and everything will legit pop up.
And
YouTube
then for you now, I know to find the song. Where else can I find you?
Like I said, just on all media platforms, TrustedSlk, and I should pop up.
You should pop up. So she's the only one.
Yeah.
Just trust in it.
Exactly.
And you will find her. And you will definitely find her. So we're going to give her like a chance to perform now. We're going to make sure that she gets the best slot ever. If you love it, comment in the sections at the bottom. If you like the page, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't seen what's happening on the show, season 1 is still there for you to catch up. But it's not going to be as good as season 2 though. It's okay in the building. So you best believe it's your boy Oasis and we out.
She TrustedSlk one time. Goes like this.
Tell her I'm crazy, I'm crazy. 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 He wasn't his bed. He wasn't his bed. You probably think that I'm mad. I'm crazy, crazy. He wasn't his bed. He wasn't his bed. You probably think that I'm mad. I'm crazy, crazy. All the moves that I'm making and all the steps that I'm taking. There's always that one person that think they can do it better, but what is you saying? Me not dress for occasion. I smoke kush till I'm Asian. My future too bright, I won't wait in my spot. Nigga, I will not be patient. Cause too many things I gotta do. Get on these beats and kill a few. Go on a trip to London, Paris, Milan, rocking the Jimmy shoe. I'm done dreaming, I'ma reach out. I need a crib like a sea house. I need all the people that say that they love the trust that they pull up with their G's up. We pull up with the whole squad. It's bad bitches and it's bad bra. Cat suit out with no bra. It's gin and juice in that jam jar. I told the homeboy he can get it. Cause we trying these funds like a picnic. And these girls, they be sickening. They trying to fail me like a kid. I put me box in the back of my head. Bury these bitches and bring me the head. Bum up the base and bury the thread. Busted the nuts and then turn up instead. Put me box in the back of my head. Bury these bitches and bring me the head. Bum up the base and bury the thread. Busted the nuts and then turn up instead. Tell her I'm crazy, I'm crazy. 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 He wasn't his bed. He wasn't his bed. You probably think that I'm mad. I'm crazy, crazy. He wasn't his bed. He wasn't his bed. You probably think that I'm mad. I'm crazy, crazy. TikTok gotta be timeless. How you gonna have my back if you spineless? These rap chicks is minus. Looking for attention like vaginas. Dope gang, rough riders. All black steez like tires. Put you out like fires. If you feeling yourself, you could try us. We on rooftops, this shit come through. I see you hating and that's pop juice. I'm a black bitch, you see the hair's blue. I could take your man, that's a damn truth. My niggas, they call me the plug. Cause I got all of the hoes. These niggas, they just wanna fuck. Cause I'm dark girl, skin goals. If you bring go booze or tea, I'm lit, shut and get paraffin. If you bring go booze or tea, I'm like jam, dollar scheme. But here I got leponi, banyani sile and the poly. I taste good like it lolly. Ain't no time for his story. I put me box in the back of my head. Bury these bitches and bring me the head. Bomb up the base and bury the thread. Busted the nuts and then turn up instead. Put me box in the back of my head. Bury these bitches and bring me the head. Bomb up the base and bury the thread. Busted the nuts and then turn up instead.